So today we are doing a fidget trade. I have my whole thingy.
But I have two good ones.
So, I'm probably going to start off with my dinosaur.
Wait, can I start first?
Do you want to start
Wait, you
first?
start
Okay,
first,
yeah.
actually. No, you start first, girlie.
Okay, right. I'm going to do my dinosaur. Yeah.
Right.
I'm going to add this little thing
Guys,
as well.
for this, I feel like I'm going to add this. You can.
I really want the glitter one.
She knows that I have the glitter one, guys. Wait, sit. She knows that
my whole
guys.
thing.
She knows that I have the glitter one.
I want the whole thing. I didn't
Let
have
me
more.
try these. Well, that's good.
I added my whole thing.
Accept.
Accept.
Okay,
Yeah.
Guys, I just got like all this.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna have everything. Guys, that's literally our trading like over. Wait,
That was very short.
I know. Did you make this, girlie?
Bro, now we only have 2 things. That was not worth it. That was not worth it.
Right, did you make this?
I have 2 things. Yeah, I made it.
I know how to make
I
fidgets.
have 2 things.
Guys, I got this.
Mhm.
Right, time
Okay,
to
right.
add. At least you have like a dumpling though.
I mean, like, yeah, I'll add that.
Dumplings.
Okay.
I want that back. Shabam.
Accept.
Add. You can't do that.
I don't have any more.
What, do you want to accept or decline?
Accept.
Accept.
I just got all my stuff back then.
Yeah. And I just got my stuff.
This was a fail.
Well, we didn't really have much stuff anyways. Oh my god, guys.
I had a whole basket.
I know, the guys, I just stopped that and like it's
Okay, right. I have.
We're gonna show you guys our fidgets now. Right, you start.
No, we're not showing our fidgets. You know what? Yeah, let's show our fidgets. I have this dinosaur.
Rah, rah. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming.
Oh god.
Wait, no, it's not. It's.
Okay. Oh. I'm still gonna close the door. Okay, yeah.
Sorry, guys. It's just her brother keeps on coming in, and it just
Okay,
he'll
yeah.
come and like sit on this.
And then I have this dumpling. And I have another 2 more. I have that one. That one. And that one. And then I'm just going to show you the whole thingy. And I have this mini dumpling, Orby, type of squishy, and then this. So that's all I have.
Okay, right, now
Show.
what I have.
Show.
Right, I'm gonna save like the best. Right.
Should we take this away now? Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So I have the cute blue one. I love the face. It's so
Add.
cute.
Add.
Girly. That wasn't even that. Wait, that was the ad one. And then I've got glitter on.
Okay, yeah. So that's all we have time for today. So
Sorry,
bye.
guys. Bye.